Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a new ID, Gmail ID or Google ID in your OnePlus smartphones. So let's create it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open Chrome. Click on Chrome and here it is the ID, Gmail ID. Click on it. Click on the Gmail ID and here it is add account to device. You have to click on it, make a password of your lock screen, and then it asks for a create new account. You can see create account. Click on create account. If you have to make for a personal use, then you have to click on personal use, and if you are making a business on it, then you have to create a business account. Click on for my personal use, then you have to enter the name like this. Click on name, surname is optional. Click on next and here you have to choose date, month and year and make gender and then press next. Then you have to create a new Gmail ID. Just enter here. Friends, you can see this. I have created a Gmail ID and then you have to press next to enter the password. Here you have to enter the password. Friends, you can see I have entered the password. Then click on next and here it is, click on never and click on yes I am in. Press next and friends, you can see the Gmail ID is created. You can see this, it is loading the privacy and terms. It hardly takes 1 to 2 minutes. And friends, you can see the ID is created. You can see. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.